In this video, we are going to discuss about the first function which is of the service desk in service operation. So, what is a service desk? Service desk in one liner is called a single and the first point of contact, the first POC. So, coming to the objectives in service desk, the objectives are to serve as first point of contact or FPOC. Plays a vital role in achieving customer satisfaction. So, as a customer first calls a customer service or a service desk to log a complaint, so it acts as a vital role in achieving customer satisfaction when the call is attended and closed in the first level itself. Coming to the first level fix and first level diagnosis. So, service desk is the first level team to diagnose the issue and to provide the solution. To coordinate the activities between end user and IT service provision teams. So, it acts as a coordinating team between the IT users as well as the provisioning teams which provide the solution to the problem. To own the logged request and ensure the closure. So, first this is the first team to log the ticket as well as to ensure the closure. Escalate as appropriate. If the first level is not able to solve the problem or issue or an incident or a request, then it will be escalated appropriately to the concerned teams. To support the other IT provision activities on need basis. So, whenever a call back is required by the customer, they call back the customer and provide the information appropriately and forward or escalate to the appropriate IT provisioning teams. So, coming to the key concepts of service desk. So, there are three major key concepts of service desk. One is the logging call with service desk. The first main concept is here, logging a call with the service desk. And second one is types, models, structures of service desk. How many types of service desk are there? How many models and what are the structures of the service desk? And third point is skills required for service desk personnel. So, what are the skills required for service desk personnel so that he can resolve the problem, issue or incident in the first level itself. We will be discussing about these key concepts in detail in the next videos.